Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to perform a resection total station setup using MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. Now, I've already connected up to my total station, but what I'm going to do to begin here is above where I would normally shoot a point, I'm going to click on Set Up. Now, the first step is to choose my setup method. By default, it's set up to a backsite. Now, I want to do a resection, so I'm going to select this from the dropdown. And now, if I have a scale factor, I'm going to want to enter it. And now what I'm going to need to do is select the point that I am aiming at. Now, in my case, I know that point number 6 is the first point that I am aiming at here, so I'm going to select it from the list and click on Measure. And once it's completed measuring, I still need to shoot my second point to get the convergence. So I'm going to select point number 7 now, which is the second one, and aim my total station up. And once aimed here, I'm going to click on Measure. And you can see here, once it's completed measuring, I'm going to get my resection results. Now, I did a pretty shaky setup inside the office here, so my results aren't great, but ideally you'll see these be exceptionally tight, so close to 0, indicating that you have a good setup. And once that is complete, you're going to click on Save Point to save the point that the total station is stored upon. And once complete, you're now ready to start surveying. So you can click on the Store Point button at any time to take your next shot. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you perform a resection using MicroSurvey's FieldGenius and your total station. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.